All right, my friend, welcome to another exercise tutorial video here at the Fit Father Project. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, and in today's video, we're gonna cover how to do bicycle crunches for beginners. So this is for you if you're getting interested in having a better looking, stronger core, and you know bicycle crunches are good exercise, but you wanna make sure you're doing them properly. This video is gonna show you that. We're gonna cover all the best form, and I'm gonna give you some ideas on the proper sets and reps so you can incorporate bicycle crunches into your routine for stronger, leaner, better looking abs. I know you're gonna learn a ton. Get out your pen and paper, take some notes, and let's dive on in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so the bicycle crunches start off in a very similar position to most of your crunches, where you're here on a back in a crunch position. Now, the first thing I want you to do with the bicycle crunch is we're gonna be essentially alternating arm and leg. So I wanted to have you take your hands, I like to put them behind my ears, almost like two fingers behind my ears. And what that does is cues me to stay nice and open, because one of the benefits of this exercise, we're moving the upper body and lower body at the same time, we're creating extensions. So you wanna stay nice and extended. So once the hands are behind the ears, two fingers right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crunch up with the chin up, and we're gonna start the bicycle crunch. So this first leg is gonna come in, I'm taking right elbow to left leg, I'm twisting my trunk and rotating. Other side, right here, touch. Right elbow, left knee, touching on the inside. Left elbow, right knee, touching here. I'm going a little slow. You see a lot of people do some super fast bicycle crunches. It's about feeling the contraction. Nice and slow pause, nice and slow pause, and you can speed up once you get a little bit of a rhythm. But the key with this exercise is we're not just getting trunk flexion, we're getting rotation too. So this whole part of my torso is moving up and in here, and I'm crunching across, and I'm touching here, and then I'm coming back, and I'm touching here. Now, a way to make this exercise harder is to focus on keeping your chin up towards the sky. So if you can keep your eyes up at the sky while you're crunching, it creates more extension and more tension in the abs than if you rolled your chin in like this, which can also predispose you for a lot of neck flexion issues. So chin's up just like this, here, boom, boom, coming through, feeling that tension. Don't be afraid to slow it down, coming right on through. So the way I like to count these is 1, 1, 2, 2, rotating 3, 3, and you'll work up until you feel a serious burn. Now, with these crunches, it's a good place to start where you're almost going to near failure. So the first time you do this, that might be 10 per side, it might be 20 or 30 per side, but this is a good high rep exercise. Yes, you can make bicycle crunches harder by doing a couple things as you get better. I don't want you doing 100 rep sets. You can put ankle weights on, which is what of course it's gonna do is create more tension on the lower body. You can also have your hands be more overhead here. So wider up here, and you're crunching through here, is gonna create more tension on the abs because you have more weight back here. Alternatively, you could hold little weights in your hands right up here, but anything that's gonna create weight on the lower body and the upper body is gonna make this a more challenging exercise. But starting out, I recommend you try 2-3 sets at the end of your workout for around 15 to 30 reps, but whatever is failure for you, it could be 1, 1, 2, 2, all the way up to that point. This exercise, because it's very much about flexion of the trunk and rotation, pairs super well with things like RKC planks, which targets the deeper lying muscles of the abdomen, so like the transverse abdominis. So it'd be a good idea to do 3 sets of bicycle crunches with 2 to 3 sets of planks for a very well-rounded ab workout. But these are great. Do them slow, do them properly, keep that chin up, rotate through, squeeze, almost like drawing a line through your abs, and I think you're gonna get a lot of benefit from this exercise. If you like this, then you're definitely gonna love all of our other videos on the best ab exercises. Things like hanging leg raise, things like RKC planks, things like ab wheel rollouts, body saws. These are some, and even the Palloff press, something that many people haven't heard of. We have these all over our Fit Father Project YouTube channel, so check those out. And if you're not subscribed already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We have over 500 exercise tutorial videos. And we also have videos on the right nutrition and meal plan for fat loss, how to get and stay lean, how to build muscle when you're in your 40s, 50s, and 60s. All of that's covered on the channel. We are the Fit Father Project, the health and fitness experts for busy fathers. So we're happy you found this video. We'd love to see you around the channel. Give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, drop us a comment below. Thanks for being here, my friend. Go forth and get your bicycle crunches on.